the street with. Man, pull up to the kid up to my head, yeah. Yeah.
No monthly premium. No copay for many prescription drugs. And only a $5 specialist copay. Plus, discounts on healthy living programs. To learn more, call now and get our free Medicare Advantage guide.
So unfortunately, I'm not really able to record my videos like I used to. Because for some reason, at least one of my children always follow me. One of them, whether they want to talk, one of them sitting here, he plays his phone to the max level with earphones and without them, and he follows me everywhere, and nobody cares about me being in the bathroom or nothing. And then I have Clue, who sucks her pacifier like Maggie and randomly cry. Not to mention everybody has their own room and their own game system.
We had a Delta commercial brake valve and the strip was a unique acrylic seamless one-piece wall. There are no seams in the corner, which is unique to our company and leak-proof. Here are safety bars that we can have seats, doors, or a shower curtain. Call Baxter for that free in-home estimate.
I have sleep apnea. Couldn't use CPAP. Now I have this. This is Inspire. It's simple. It's just a button.
Sometimes I press this button.
Inspire is a sleep apnea treatment that works inside my body with a click of this remote.
No mask, no hose. Just sleep.
We go night-night now.
Inspire. Sleep apnea innovation. Learn more at inspire.com.
Call Memphis attorney Lester Weiner, serving Tennessee, Arkansas, and Mississippi. Call 1-877-621-4343. If your Social Security, disability, or VA claim was denied, don't give up. Lester Weiner has 35 years of experience. He's helped thousands of disabled people get benefits. No fee unless you win. Call 1-877-621-4343.
Welcome to the Tennessee Lottery's Catch 3 and Cash 4.
Now get it how live it.
Today's Catch 3 midday winning numbers are... I'm going to call the chords.
Hi.
guys. Good morning.